I can confirm to you that you are going to see a fight that has never been witnessed in this country. President MAHAMA is going to lead a very ruthless and relentless campaign against Galamsey.
So facts on Galamsey TV, do like, share, and subscribe. Guys, President John Dramani Mahama has taken a U-turn. President Mahama wants to be ruthless. President Mahama promises to deal with these Galamseyers because it is because of their actions he lost one of his favorite ministers, Dr. Omadebuama. Guys, according to Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa, President Mahama is going to be ruthless to these Galamseyers. Like what he's going to show them, it will be lesser than how he felt when he heard of the helicopter crash in Kumasi that claimed the lives of 8 gallant men. You see how the president was crying uncontrollably? He is going to make them cry as well. He is going to employ the revolutionary tactics, the cadre tactics to deal with these Galamseyers. Guys, Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa addressed the media after a cabinet meeting today. Mind you, there is a state burial or state funeral, I must say, tomorrow. So it was important for cabinet to meet today. And because of these Galamseyers, he lost 2 of his cabinet ministers. President Mahama is not going to joke with these people. He is going to deal with them, according to Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa. Let me read what he said. I can confirm to you that we are going to see a Galamsey fight that has never ever happened in this country before. The approach or strategy we are going to employ, you have never ever witnessed such a thing in this country before. President Mahama did not mince words when he said he's going to be ruthless to these people. Listen to Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa.
I can confirm to you that you are going to see a fight that has never been witnessed in this country. President Mahama is going to lead a very ruthless and relentless campaign against Galamsey. He has not minced words at all. We had a brief cabinet meeting earlier today, and the president was very clear. There was no ambiguity that he will be leading a war that we have never seen to deal with this canker, this existential threat, once and for all.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Guys, after Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa spoke, the people of Ghana say, you think we are still in campaign season? Guys, I broke my leg when going to the comment section. Guys, the comment section is on fire. It is on fire. Let me run you through some comments, guys. Hey, my goodness. These people. So the first comment is from definitely from the Kennedy doctrine. And I read, emotionally shaken by this death, Mahama is now driven to end Galamsey. When you lead with passion, you see clearly. I now fully understand Kennedy Japan. Those with sense will understand my comments. Moving on. This is from Akiola, and I read, if we want a minister with credibility to talk about ways to solve Galamsey, it shouldn't be this one. Making reference to Okudzeto, state of emergency is the only solution as proposed in opposition. Now, another comment is coming from Richard Yao Amwa, and I read, so do we still have people who stayed 9 months in their mother's womb believing this guy? These people. Another one from Bright Otain Henne, and I read, if the NDC were in opposition, Samuel Okudzeto would have provided all the details in the black box before any investigations began. Samuel Okudzeto often presents himself as having advanced knowledge with his propaganda settings and hey, my goodness. Guys, then there's one more comment. Abdullahi Abdul Karim. He has this to write, and I read. We have had this movie before. Same actors, same promises, same ending. Under MAHAMA, Galamsey flourished like never before. And today, his team suddenly want us to believe they have had a miraculous conversation. Action speaks louder than mere rhetoric. And Ghanaians still remember how your party agitation for state of emergency during 2024 campaign, which they expect your government to fast forward in that direction. Hey! Another comment from Sarah Jakuma, and it reads, so if they didn't die there and cut no proper fight, my people, you know fear. You know the fear. Mohammed Majid comes with a comment and he reads, ha ha ha, talk does not cook rice. Now, there's this interesting comment from Bellas Mustafa, and I read, the same foot soldiers who caused mayhem and frustrated the electoral officers in 2024 election for NDC to win are the ones at the forest doing Galamsey. Yo, we go see. So, Bellas Mustafa is saying that it is rather NDC foot soldiers who are in the bush. So stop giving us rhetorics. So you don't believe President MAHAMA will be ruthless about this? My goodness, let me know what you also think in the comment section. Now, let me pick this few comments from Kwesi Buafo, and it reads, if this is the case, it means all this while our politicians didn't understand the gravity and the negative effect of Galamsey. It means politicians will be serious about everything in our country if they start to feel the negative effects of their action. I resonate with this particular message so well. Very good comment. Another one. Guys, can we just make him the defense minister to lead the fight for us, please? Or him a KM is asking. There's another comment from JB Dankwa, and he reads, what happened to the so-called water guards? What happened to the water guards? Kwame Jesse has this to say. He is my neighbor. I sometimes hear him quarreling with his wife for serving him fufu with small soup. What Jimmy said, I beg you, I beg of you. You people, hey, you people. My goodness, guys, this is quite interesting. This Fact or Fact on Galamsey TV. Do like, share, and subscribe. Let me also ask you, what do you exactly think about the promise to be ruthless when it comes to Galamsey? This Fact or Fact, signing out.